Happy holidays! Welcome to my channel, Wailani Creations. My name is Wendy, and today we'll be learning how to make these snowflakes. The snowflakes are very versatile. You can use smaller crystals to make a small one and wear it as an earring, or bigger crystals and hang it on your tree as an ornament, or in your car as a sun catcher. Materials-wise, you will need 6 seed beads, 6 4mm crystals, 6 12 by 8mm teardrops, a 10mm crystal, and 2 pieces of 26 gauge wire, 6 inches each. You will need a nylon jaw plier, a wire cutter, and a round nose plier. Start by adding one of the seed beads to one of the 26 gauge wires. Put the seed bead in the middle of the wire and then fold the wire together. Next, put a teardrop through the folded wire with the smaller side facing the seed bead. Now add a 4mm crystal through the 2 wires. Open up the wires and put the 10mm crystal through one of the wires. Now put the other wire through the 10mm crystal from the opposite side. You can use a nylon jaw plier to pull and tug on the wire to tighten it. Now repeat the steps with the other 26 gauge wire. First, add a seed bead to the middle of the wire and then folding the wire together. Now add a teardrop to the folded wire with the smaller side facing the seed bead. Add a 4mm crystal through the wires. Open up the wires and then put one of the wires through the 10mm crystal. Now put the other wire through the opposite side of the 10mm crystal. Again, use a nylon jaw plier to pull and tug on the wire to tighten it. Open up the wire so that they form almost like a V shape, and then use the nylon jaw plier to straighten the wires. Now add a 4mm crystal to one of the wires. Add a teardrop to the wire with the bigger side facing the crystal, and then add a seed bead. You can cut off some of the extra wires, leaving about 1/3 of an inch of wire left. Next, use a round nose plier to create loops at this end of the wire to lock off the crystals in. Now you repeat the steps with all 3 of the wires. First, add a 4mm crystal, and then a teardrop with the bigger side facing the crystal, and then a seed bead. Next, you cut off some of the extra wire, leaving about 1/3 of an inch of wire left, and then use a round nose plier to create loops at the end to lock in all of the crystals. Here we are just repeating the same steps with the other 2 wires, so I will speed it up. So we are adding the crystal, teardrop, seed bead, and then cutting off extra wire, and then creating loops at the end to lock everything in. Alright, we are done making the snowflake. Have fun making it, make it in different colors, different sizes, and hang on everything. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye!